We got another unit that we're going to tear down some walls, and right now we're going to start on baseboards, carpet. There's my guy Eric. Hi Eric. Oh, they're too dark now. Can't see. You're gonna go this way. Now you can say Eric. Eric, how you doing?
This shit ain't coming out.
Tough baseboard.
Yeah.
So they're taking down the walls. Drywall first, then the electric, then the ceiling. Okay, now we have the lights up. Floor. Trip up the floor. And then waiting for the help still. Okay, got the floor chipped up. Thing down, walls down over here. Put a little railing there so we can put drywall back over there for the ceiling. Coming along.